It should have been obvious to us from the very beginning when we first started digging up coal and burning it, or when Colonel Drake drilled that first oil well in Pennsylvania. It should have been obvious to us that this was an exhaustible resource. But it seemed like it existed in great abundance, and the amount of it that we were using at the time was so small that we treated it as if it were an infinitely available phenomenon. I remember Jimmy Carter suggested we're going to have to do without on some of the things that we're accustomed to doing with abundant petroleum energy. And immediately after he'd made an address to the nation talking about the need for adjusting, Howard Baker, who was then the majority leader in the Senate, went on the air with a counter speech in which he said that wasn't the American way, that the American way was to find more oil and produce our way out of this predicament that we were in. And that was an expression, really, of the attitude that tended to prevail at the time.
The U.S. Department of Energy